My Poly ICU training, day 1 farm work. The teacher is teaching us how to cut the ginseng board in the right direction and weight. I'm trying to. I'm using the saw to cut the ginseng board. Different kinds of saw. Be careful to use the saw when I'm puzzling my box. I'm putting the pins on box. I finally finished. Day 2 steel work. This machine is used to cut the steel plate. The teacher is showing us how to operate. There are many sparkles. The teacher is smoothing the edge. This machine is used to drill the hole. Emulsifying oil is used to lower the temperature. There is some emulsifying oil on the steel plate. Another machine to drill the hole on steels. We should wear the safety gloves, protective eyepieces, and protective clothing. We are trying to use the machine to cut the steel plate too. Mei Mei now is operating the machine. We are smoothing the edge. We are marking the drilling position on steel plate. We finally made it. Day 3 and 4, concreting. The concrete is mixing now. It is very heavy. We are doing some preparation work before slump test. I'm doing the slump test now. My groupmate is pouring the concrete into the formwork. We finished. I'm bending the steel. We are measuring the distance. We finished. Day 5, NDT and anchoring. The teacher is carrying out the cover meter test. This is the meter reading. Our groupmate is trying too. We then mark some information on it. This is the hammer test. This is the infrared thermographic test. The teacher shows us different anchor. The teacher demonstrates the bonded anchor system, HVA adhesive anchor system to us. After drilling the hole, we need to suck the dust from hole. Another task was doing by manual method. Day 5 Brickwork and plastering. Different types of block. The teacher is cutting the light block. Our mission is to build a brick wall. Teacher is marking the position. The teacher helped us to build the part of the wall. We did it too. Some technique for plastering the cement mortar such as made them smooth. Some bridged mortar. Paste tile on wall. Finish. Different types of tile. Our classmate is removing the paper. Different method when plastering the cement on floor. This machine is used to break the blocks. Day 7 Scaffolding. The teacher is explaining the working platform requirement. He is holding the safety belt now. It is the safety string. This is the working platform model. We are observing the force work. That's the end of our IC training.